Hello everyone and welcome to Nailevision. Today I'm going to show you to create these designs with NuRevolution tie-dye gel. Let's begin. I'll show you two really quick designs. So first of all, we apply one layer of number 3 tie-dye gel, white color. And then I'm going to draw circles, swirls on the nail. So just pick your colors. You can see the color is blooming out really quickly. You can always overlapping. And you also need to give it some contrast of colors and try different layouts. Okay, now I'm going to use a striper brush. Draw lines from outside to inside. Leave a gap in between. Okay, now I'm going to draw lines from inside to outside in between the lines. To make it tie-dye effect. See, very simple. When you're happy with it, just cure for 30 seconds. After it's cured, I'm going to put a layer of super top on it, and then I'm going to put some embellishments on it. Cover the page and cure for 30 seconds. After it's cured, because super top is a non-wet top coat, so we don't need to remove the tacky layer. I'm going to use this striping aura tape and this letter sticker. So with the tape, the best way to take it is just to take a small knife and then cut on the sticker. So you don't need to take the whole thing up and then cut it and then stick it back on. So you just cut the amount you need and then just take it off. It won't affect others. And then I'm going to put it on here. And then you use a pusher to get rid of all the air bubbles inside, and then trim off the extra. And then I'm going to put the letters on top of here. So what letter should we do? Maybe we do a swag. Swag. This is going to be really cool. You can do it from the bottom to top or from the top to the bottom. I normally like to do it from the top to the bottom, but make sure you don't go too close to the top. Okay. Use the pusher, push away the air bubbles. Make sure it's all stick. Especially on the side walls. Okay, now I'm going to put on a little bit of the crystals. I'm going to put a white and a blue. The chalk white and the opal blue. I'm going to use super base to stick them on. Okay, going to be a little bit just right here. And now going to do one blue here and one light next to it. You're happy with it? Just cure for 30 seconds. After curing, I'm going to use Super Top to seal all the design and the stickers inside. And it's done. Quick and easy. I'm going to cover all my crystals inside as well, because this one is not the sparkly crystals, so it's okay to cover it. With the sparkle ones, like the clear and the aura ones, I normally use my stripping brush to go around the crystal, so it won't cover the shapes and the colors of the crystal. But with these opaque colors, you can just go over it. And this is the first design. Quick and easy. Cure for 30 seconds. Now with the second design, I'm going to show you a different technique to use the tie-dye gel. This is the super base. I put on a palette and an oval brush. So I'm going to use some colors, preferably darker colors, and this is just a white base nail, and then just put it on top of the tacky layer. And then I'm going to grab with my brush, grab the base gel, put on the color that you just put on, and then just melt it. If you need more, just get a little bit more. Let your brush flow. Okay. Clean your brush. Change to another color. I'm going to use a pink. So, click on here and here. Grab my base gel. Do the same. Okay. Very easy. I'm going to add on some blue, which is number 5. A little bit here. A little bit here. Not much. And then just use the colors left over on the brush to blend in. If you think it's too light, you can use number 16, which is a brown color, to tone it down, but don't use too much. Just put a little bit on here. See, it spreads out. Okay, if you're happy with the design, you can just cure it. Now, after it's cured, I'm going to make it more like a dreamy kind of look. So I'm going to apply a layer of the ombre base, which is like a semi-white, so to tone down every color, but you can still see the color. It's more of a milky white color, not too much. Now you can see it's become more of like a dreamy kind of look. It's not as bright, the color. And cure for 30 seconds. After the nail is cured, I'm going to wipe with the cleanser. And I'm going to use a striper brush and some white out, number 1. And draw some stars on it. You can draw anything, or even, you know, writing some letters or names on it. So just, you know, draw some where you feel like. If you don't like it, correct it. I'm going to write a star on here. Maybe one on here as well. And then I'm going to do a star sign in the middle. So if you know one, do the ones you know. If you don't, just create one. There's infinity of stars in the sky. Maybe you got it right. Just fill in the empty spaces. If you're happy, you can cure it. And cure for 30 seconds. With this kind of designs, I feel it looks the best on a matte surface. So I'm going to put on some matte top gel. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Here is the cured matte surface. I like it like the matte surface for the galaxy kind of look. And this is the tie-dye style. And here are some of my other designs using the same technique, just different color combos. If you like it, welcome to try it out. And if you have any questions, please join my Facebook group, Nailevision support group, and I will post videos and tips and tricks and sneak peeks of next videos in the group, and you are welcome to ask questions and communicate with the community. If you like today's video, please do the YouTube trail, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you have a look at my other videos, and I will see you at my next video.